again, special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us these pre-rolled cones. These are premium quality and ultra thin. They even include a golden packing spoon. So inside of this little container is 50. Look at that. It's like Christmas. Now these are the larger 109 millimeter king size cones that a lot of people call these. As you can see, they have a very nice red color to them. And then they also have a green one with the respective leaves on them. And outside of the fact that you get 50 of these pre-rolled cones in this nice little carrying case, you also get, see if I can get it out, a nice golden packing spoon. So with this, you'd be able to take your tobacco, put it in your spoon, put your tobacco down into your pre-rolled cone, and then just, pack your pre-roll so that you can smoke your cone. Love this. This isn't plastic or anything. It's actually kind of made out of some metal, so it's pretty strong. Love that they include this. Love that they include the 50 cones and the red and green colors. Make this perfect for like a Christmas or Halloween party or something like that. And so again, special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this 50 pack of pre-rolled cones with the golden packing spoon. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.